Today we're going to be teaching you how to install Christmas lights around your house using these clips here, right here. They have a function for gutter or for shingles, and this is where you stick the little light bulb in. Clips were from Amazon. They were, I forgot how much, but they weren't that expensive. But you do have to assemble these. So basically, it comes like this, and you snap this off. So you have two pieces, and now this piece, you put it into the hole, and then you push and snap it in, and that's your final assembled piece where you can adjust the height or position of the light bulb. And then this slides in for shingles, or this way it clips in for the gutter. We're going to be attaching it to the shingles, so all of ours are going to go like this. We're going to be using these lights, the GE Color Choice 150 LED. These are only available at Lowe's. The plan is to the start of it from here and then go up, down, and around. We're going to run the extension cord through underneath the gutter, underneath the window, the sliding door, up to that electrical box, and that will be our power source. Well, we will have a smart switch or a smart plug. Here we have an example of how it'll look on the light bulb. It's going to attach to that clip. This is your position for the gutter. You want to slide it in, push down, and there you go. And here you can adjust the position of the light bulb. So that's how that one would look. So here we have the shingle condition. This is where it's going to slide in. So here we're going to lift the shingle slightly a little bit, slide the clip in, and now you can push the light bulb in there, and there you go. And that is your shingle condition. Status update. The dog's still barking. So we're up here on the roof. As we said, we're doing a clip every 5 lights. And I think from this point of view, it looks pretty good. We'll see once we go down there. But this is basically what we're doing. We're grabbing the light. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At the 5th clip, at the 5th light, we will pull the shingle up, slide the clip in, and then push the light in. There we go. And then we move up a little. Be careful when you're walking on the roof, because it can be slippery and you can fall, and it's very dangerous. So be very cautious where you step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull. And it's going to be like right here. Lift the shingle. Put the clip and the light, and there you go. This is how much we have done so far. As you can see, it looks pretty straight from up here. And this is the view as you look down. Be careful when you're working on the roof. Here we're going to do a transition from one part of the roof to the lower part. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, so now we got to the end of our extension, or lights. Now we'll get the other one. The nice thing about this is that this is how it looks, not the old style with the plug. So this is included in the box. we'll need to remove this. This is where you plug it into the light. But since we already have one, we can just unplug that part. Something like that. Because we don't need that part. And then plug it in here. Like this. And then screw this back on. Okay, and then you continue your line. So we just finished adding all the little lights. We probably were missing, we would have completed the entire thing and we had one more foot or at least one more light. That's the only piece we needed. But besides that, I think it looks pretty good. We have a lot of those light clip holders. Those are non-assembled or not assembled. We have the assembled ones over there.
Outdoor smart plug. So we'll connect this up, set it up, and we'll show you how it looks. Here's an unboxing for you. I haven't opened up this package, so we'll see what's included. Here we have the plug, and then it looks like it's a little wire management for the connection. Instructions. And waterproof tips. Here's the outdoor plug. Has two plugs with a cover for each one. And we'll set this up. Before you do this, make sure you download the Kasa app and make an account. And then you can easily set up your equipment. Here is the House app, also known as Kasa.
Or Kasa.
Or Kasa. And now we're gonna install. We're gonna tap the button. Tap the button to add, and add a new device. And then we're going to look for the smart plug. Right there. Now we're going to look for the outdoor smart plug, the 2 outlet, right there. Follow the instructions. Orange and green. As you can see, it is flashing orange and green. Plug that in. Make sure you are connected to the. Okay, now we're connected to the Wi-Fi. Connected, and now it's searching. Name the plugs. So now we're gonna name one, plug number 1. We can choose an icon. Let's choose the Christmas lights icon. Save. Next, plug 2 is not going to be used right now, so we'll just leave it as is. And now we have location, custom. We're gonna put outdoor and save that. He's waiting. Congratulations. And now we have a smart plug. And that's it. Scroll down so it can update, and there you go. We have our lights. So with this button, we can turn them off. As you can see, they are now off. And then we press the
On.
button, and they are on. Hopefully you can see that. Off.
I'll switch to
On.
mode. Oh, sorry. There.
Off. On. Okay, YouTube, it's officially been about 2 days since we installed the lights, and now we're going to show you the nighttime reveal on how they look. These are the Christmas tree lights. This is the LG color choice, only available at Lowe's. They changed from this bright white to a more blue color, but we have to go to the receiver box, which is in the backyard. We don't want to do that right now, we'll do it later. But this is one of the color options. As you can see, we put a clip every 5 lights to get that twinkle effect. If you have any questions, drop it down in the comments. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more random videos.